this. HeyGen got an update. HeyGen got an update. Let's test it out. Let's test it out. Okay, so this is HeyGen. HeyGen is the software that you could use to build your digital clone. These are my old clones for my content automation machine that uses APIs to make requests to HeyGen to say, hey, HeyGen, can you read this script with my digital avatar because I don't want to get on camera? And HeyGen says, yes, that would be 50 cents. And I go, here's 50 cents. Thank you so much. And then in 2 minutes, I get a video like this. Oh, you can't hear the audio. I mute the audio. So, but imagine this is my exact voice. This was Nano Banana Pro when it first came out. So let's recreate a new one of this so I can upload a new model. So we could get a little, So HeyGen is actually what you're going to be using to do your digital clone, and then he gets better over time, and then they just released a new update to version 4, which is what we use in the community. And let's see if we could go to, where should we go? Let's go to Google Studio, just because I could pay directly to the source to get Nano Banana Pro. If you hook up an API key to it in this is why you want to learn Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is the playground completely for free. I'll put that allows you to basically play with Nano Banana. So I'm just going to upload an image, a headshot of myself. Nice professional studio. Use the headshot, change the outfit to something warm, inviting. Studio lighting. Camera is a DSLR with bokeh. Shot head on, and it's like a podcast studio with the microphone on the side. Actually, without the microphone. So it's just nice professional looking at the camera, talking, smiling. Create that in a 9:16 format. Okay, so use head only, replace outfit. We're using Nano Banana Pro right now inside Google AI Studio. You have to hook up your API, but I think the images are like 9 cents, like for image, which is like nuts. And then when you do image generation as well too, keep in mind like 40. Let's say for every, it's almost like you're going to generate 7 failed photos for every 1 perfect photo is like the mindset to have. What does that mean? That means it very rare do you get perfect right out the gate, especially with image generation. Image generation, you're refining your original prompt. That's really what you're doing. You're just trying to put a prompt in, get something out of the oven. I think I need a little less smile. And so here's the thing. You go back to the original prompt, paste that back in, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to reload the same image because it just feeds back into itself, and then you get lower quality images each time. You want to treat like every command a brand new request with the same assets, and then tweak your original prompt, because your original prompt gave you this output right here. Where's my cool mouse? Hold on, my cool mouse. Oh, hold on. Presentify. You guys can't see my mouse. Hold on one second. I'm gonna make life so much easier for you guys. Okay, and then now you can see my mouse. Ha 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 ha. This is an app called Presentify. It's $10. It allows you, if you do any online presentations or teaching, and you're like, hey, I want to show you some really cool things like on my computer screen, and then do this for teaching, and this is an image block that should generate an image block over here. Basically, if you want to do any of this, this is an app called Presentify. It's like $10. It's only on Mac. Great for teaching. So if you do courses, highly recommend it. Okay, so here, just slightly smiling is the only thing I would change. Where's smiling, smiling, smiling? Slightly. And then I'm just gonna improve this. This is Cider. Highly recommend Cider. We teach all this in the course, in the workshop. Join. Link is in the bio. Well, actually, the link's not there. I technically took it down, so you can't join if you wanted to. Give me a moment. I'm going to put the link up, so my website, so that you could go join, sign up for the classes, so you can learn how to do stuff like this. Basically, what I'm doing right now, we're going on a little side quest. I'm creating a digital avatar twin clone of myself, of a new Photoshop. I'm basically putting myself in a new outfit, new photo shoot, new location. And then I'm going to use this headshot, put it in HeyGen, because once you run it once, it's saved in the queue. And then once it's run once, you could then use it in your automations. So you're going to see this digital twin that I'm creating right now using Nano Banana Pro on your content feed, giving you the news. Am I going to read any of the news? No. This is all going to be completely automated. This is just Google AI Studio. A little bit better, but he took a little much of the... Oh, yeah. We actually got to go back to the original here. Sometimes when it improves it a little too much. And then slightly smiling. What do you think about the outfit? I don't like the outfit. I'm not a fan of it. Change the outfit, replace the outfit, warm colors, nice professional, no glasses, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, because I'm really, oh shoot, I forgot to put my headshot. And let's just leave it. Yeah, change it to something blue. It looks nice. I agree. So it's like, we'll try this one, and then we'll do another one with just blue. Yeah, I have a nice blue tub. I will never forget how amazing Coach Jaja is and how meticulous she is, that taking notes on every day that you do sales. What was the outfit? What were the color of the glasses? I remember that. I'm like, that is attention to detail to the utmost degree, and I'm like, that's the level you got to get to. It's like we're all catching up to Coach Jaja. That's all we're doing. She set the bar for 2025. She's like, bye. We're like, oh shit, we're catching up. Sorry. So let's change this to upload. We're doing a photo shoot. Okay, nice. Actually looks really good. And just replace outfit. Blue, warm colors. A little professional. No, I don't like the professional. Let's hook this in. See how we're already on version 4 already. So like roughly my thesis is still roughly true. It's like you're going to burn 7 failed photos to finally get that one nice photo that you need. And at least for what we're doing with this, we're literally just creating one beautiful photo. He's going to be the talking head for all the short form videos over the next week. And then he only needs to appear only for like 3.5 seconds in the video. That's all. Like, so you're not, because when you do short form content automation, as soon as people look at it, they're gonna be like, that's AI, and they're gonna be like, I found it. It's like, no, it's like it only is gonna show up for 3 seconds, and then immediately everything else is B-roll, which we're gonna make some tweaks with. Can you grab an outfit layer from Pinterest that makes it easier? Actually, yeah. So Pinterest male outfit. Let's go shopping. Let's go John shopping. Okay, so this is actually a really good use case too. So to show you that you can literally stitch, you can grab watches, you can grab glasses, outfits, accessories. Like you could go grab all of those screenshots, give them all into Nano Banana Pro, and Nano Banana Pro will put them all together in like a photo shoot, basically, or basically in the outfit. Oh yes, yep. I think that's it. That's perfect for me. Yeah, that's definitely my vibe. No, I'm just kidding. Like, dear God, no. Let me see. I feel like that like kind of vibe. Let me see here. Let me see. Okay, let's do blue male fashion. casual. We're going outfit shot. Okay. Nice little blue sweater. Simple, minimal, warm, inviting. We don't want the collar. I know I'm moving real fast. See, I like kind of stuff like that. Kind of like that. Is like, I like that, but like, let's vibe with that. I think that's actually a good start to kind of go with. It's nice. Too businessy. See, yeah. Something like that. Let's just use this for an example. So I'm going to take this screenshot. Boop. And then we're going to go to HeyGen. Oh, nice. Nice. Not bad. Slightly smiling. Okay. The reason why is you don't want your avatar smiling because then it goes into Joker face when you do HeyGen version 4, basically. That's actually not bad. So we're going to now add this outfit with this original prompt. And from the prompt, slightly smiling, small smile. I think that looks pretty good. Let's run this with replace outfit for using outfit from image. Blue warm colors. Let's just take that out. Blue warm hues. I was doing I was looking at some other prompts the other night. Let's check. Like this is version 4. It's good. It's like that's not bad. I like the smiling. You definitely don't want him smiling enough, but that's really good. We're real close. So that's option 1. We could tweak that. Let's add the headshot again. And let's run that. So now we're taking that outfit from Pinterest. We went shopping. And then here we're adding the headshot. You could add as many photos. You could go get an accessory, pants, other color palette. You could just screenshot, dump them all into Google AI Studio or wherever you want to get Nano Banana Pro. Get the Pro version. The Pro, worth it. I mean, you could get it from anywhere, like Higgsfield, Free Picks. I don't like those image ones anymore because GenSpark is a lot easier and better. We're getting closer. And then we're going to make him talk like a digital avatar. Like, yes. And then after this tonight, I'm going to update my content automation. So if you tune in live stream tonight, I may be vibe coding the content automation bot so that you can see that. And then I'm excited. So this is Nano Banana Pro. Oh, nice. The other blue is a little nicer pop-in. You have option 1. I could redo that one and just make slightly smile, but that's like option 1, outfit 1. And then this one is option 2. Oh, way better. I like that one. Even made me so younger. Anyways, let's just rock with this one for right now. Because he's got the nice smile. He's got that. Let's just go there. Download. Let's go to HeyGen. Nice. Let's go to, here's the key. Here's the secrets. Hit that like button. These are the secrets. They don't tell you. So you do not do a clone. You go to the secret menu. You go down to apps. Is it? They hide the menu every time. So I want apps. And then I want photo to video. That's what you want. HeyGen version 4. That's the key thing. Actually, is this the guy? Yeah, this is version 4. Perfect. Has to be version 4. Does it clone the voice also? Yes. HeyGen will clone both your voice and your audio. Will it be the best? 85%. You broke up what app? So this was HeyGen, HeyGen, for doing your digital clone. We're using version 4, which is the avatar version 4. And we're uploading the image here, which is our cool new headshot. And he does do image. Look at that. Nice. Looks like I put effort in something. Anyways. Okay. And then I could record this. Let me record some audio. Now I have my own. I have the voice in here already. HeyGen library. and then I have my voices, and then this is 11 labs, 11 labs, 11 labs. Which one? Trying to remember which one I have. Which one's mine? These are imported. These are voice clones, but they all say 11 labs. Jonathan Acuna. I know that one is 11 labs. I'm just going to try this one. Let's test it. Oh, I got it here. Now I need a script. Let me just go to news. Just publish this. No, I'm just kidding. And then let's go. Give me a 30-second script about vibe coding and Claude Code with a call to action to say, this week we are teaching Claude Code inside the AI community. Join live class. Just to get something. North Star says, does your course show how to do the clone in HeyGen? I was trying with Higgsfield. Yes. We actually already have the HeyGen course. Jesus, we did this in like April of the year. So if you guys don't know, I run an AI community. We have, how many members do we have now? It's like 140. We have 142 members inside the AI community. We meet Tuesday through Thursday, Tuesday through Friday, live classes. This month we are doing a 4-part curriculum, which actually is going to be right here. There we go. So if you're interested in AI and this is your first time meeting me, I have an AI community where we're teaching live classes this week and every week for the next 4 weeks. Actually, I think this is 5 weeks. Week 1, we're going to teach you how to build with AI agents with using GenSpark. Hold on, I want cooler names. There we go. Week 1, working with AI agents using GenSpark. Then week 2, we're going to go into vibe coding, how to build apps and tools without being a developer using Claude Code, and we're also going to use Google AI Studio in there as well too. Every class goes from Tuesday through Thursday, and then if you miss a day, don't worry. By the end of the day, you will get a video recap of the actual video training. Plus, you also get a PDF guide, and then Friday is like catch-up hours. So you could come in, ask questions, office hours, recap the demos, like you catch up. It's more like support. So that's basically from there. My love, can you open up the community for them? I have to give you guys the link right now. So to join, if I remember here, I think this is it. Yep, this is it. So let me put this in the chat. Actually, you guys can't see from here. On TikTok, it's just let me see if maybe I can sign in. Oh, I can open on a browser for YouTube. I was like, how do I comment to the people on YouTube? Close. Oh, cool. I can chat on YouTube now. Sick. That's dope. Nice. So I chatted or posted both on YouTube and on TikTok in the comments. That link, simpletechskills.com/academy, allows you to join the academy and enroll, where you'll get all of the courses that we already have. We have 23 courses, NAN automations, everything from there. It is $97 to join. You get support, mentorship, and then we have the live classes. We have the recap, which is the recourses. And then you get to meet 140 other entrepreneurs that are doing some dope things in there. That's really the benefit, is like all the amazing people that we connect and learn. Blessings to Coach Jaja as well too. So that's all in the community. And then if you book or sign up, you get a 1-hour one-on-one with me as well too, as a special bonus. It's a one-time thing. That way I get to know you, get to see your goals, give you a custom roadmap, show you all the cool things, navigate around. That is in there. So that's and then we have, oh my gosh, we have so many courses. We have 23 courses. I'm just also releasing a Claude Code course to the community members today. So if we go here, you could kind of see we have discussion forum, wins for members that post, get support. And then, oh boy, we have from ChatGPT, custom GPTs, Notion. There's your whole NA. It's not only NAN, but also we also have the content automation, like literally how to do like short form content, the HeyGen stuff that you saw. We have the how to do that in NAN, and I give you the whole template. There's your HeyGen course, so how to build a digital avatar using HeyGen. And then in the Claude course, which is going to be week 4, we're going to be doing content automation. So week 3, Google Power AI Suite, where we'll teach you how to master Google AI Studio in week 3. Week 4, this is where we're now going to take your vibe coding skills and build a vibe coded content automation so that you don't have to do NAN, make.com. It's does HeyGen digital clone. It's personalized to your brand voice as well too. Sending you lots of blessings for Coach Jaja. Coach Jaja is the blessings. If you're not following Coach Jaja, she is an angel. And if you want to talk about business coaching and also starting and launching your first digital product, don't do it without Coach Jaja's help. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, she's down here. There we go. Amazing. Highly recommend. And then week 4, we'll go into digital marketing, how to create a product, market a product. That's your website, your email, your offer, your sales page, how to collect payment, all that basically from there. So that is the next 5 weeks starting January. So people start the year off mastering GenSpark for AI agents, mastering all the amazing tools that Google AI Studio has. That's Gemini, Notebook LM, Nano Banana Pro, VO3. Then we're going to teach you how to automate your content, how to vibe code a content automation app. That one's going to be the funnest. That's going to be where you get to see how powerful and affordable AI is, because you're not paying any of the subscriptions anymore. And then lastly is the digital marketing, because everyone needs a side hustle. Everyone needs to make an extra 1 to 5K a month. So start selling. Coach Jaja is rebranding her store. Oh, Coach Jaja does amazing branding as well too. Let's see. Questions. Ahmed says, many people go to the AI automation space without any technical background, including me. How about making a video explaining the API, credentials, and test users and how to serve the clients? Yep, we do that inside the Claude course. We'll teach you how to hook up the best APIs for image, video, text, how to do credentials, how to do any type of automation logic, how to build a front end user interface so that it looks like a professional app, how to build a back end so it runs on a database that stores it could store almost 1 million records if you really wanted to get crazy with it. And then it says, and how to give them the project and serve them if they make a deal for 3 months. Well, we'll teach you how to vibe code an app so that you can turn your idea into an app using these amazing tools. Very cool. We got a lot of good stuff. Oh, back to our project. We're going on a little side quest. We're building a digital clone using HeyGen avatars. And then if we go to here, I'm just going to say right now, a lot of people, I want you to open with a attention grabbing hook. You guys really want to learn how to vibe code. That's probably the most important. It's so beneficial. Most people encyclopedia, break it down. Cool. Let's just say this is good enough. I just need a script. This is just a demo anyways, just to test out. Claude. Most people think Oh, I don't think this audio will hear. Let's see if this will.
Staring at lines of text and getting stuck for hours. That's not how we do it anymore. With vibe coding, you focus on the idea, not the code. And with Claude Code, you use AI to build real tools, workflows, and automations without the usual struggle. This week inside the community, I'm breaking it down live. You'll see exactly how to use Claude Code step by step and actually build something that works. If you want in, join us live this week. Links below.
Kinda. There's a couple different voices that I have on file for HeyGen. I'm just trying to figure out which.
Most people think coding means staring at lines of text and getting stuck for hours. That's not how we do it anymore.
It's not bad. There's one in here that was like the best one. Let's see. Listen to this one. It's like, which is the voice clone of me? It's not going to be perfect. There's better, like 11 Labs and Fish Audio, way better for voice cloning.
Most people think coding means staring at lines of text and getting stuck for hours. That's not how we do it anymore. With vibe coding, you focus on the idea, not the code. And with Claude Code, you use AI to build real tools, workflows, and automation.
I hear the hint of AI, but I think that's probably going to be the best one. Because I can't use this one because well, try this one. It's okay to go slightly over character, but every 30 seconds. I can't use 11 labs because it has a limit to it. So let's just go here. And I think that was probably the best one. Let's listen.
Most people think coding means staring at lines of text and getting stuck for hours.
No, it's the last one. I'm going to stick with that one and just move on. Okay, good enough. So now I'll do just 720. I need a better hook. I'm not going to lie, that's a pretty weak hook. No, write a better hook. This is for now's the best time to learn how to code, build your app in hours and not weeks using Claude Code. Get started today with a live workshop inside the AI community where we're building websites, apps, and automations using Claude Code. Start now, don't fall behind. Something like this. Something like this. I'm just not impressed with that as a demo for the hook. Because I'm going to use this like for demos to show clients to be like, hey, this is where it's at today, where the technology is. Right now is the easiest time. Okay, I think that's a better script. Right now is the easiest time to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you could build real apps. Okay, that's going to be good enough. Let's go generate the video. Oh, they have advanced stuff. Okay, it is in the oven. It is baking. I was going to say, is it already done yet? I was going to say, that's way too fast. In 2025, you will not be able to compete with people who have digital avatars that are pumping out content automatically with Claude Code. It is such a cheat code. Oh my gosh. And the models are going to get better, more realistic. It's cheaper to produce already. Building AI on a Monday. The main tools to learn in like 2026, ChatGPT, GenSpark, Claude Code, Google Gemini, Notebook LM, Cider, Notion, voice to text, any tool, really doesn't matter. And then I see some rebrands like Minimax we're really gonna go into like the Chinese models because they're so good. The Chinese models are really good for this AI avatar. This is our AI avatar. We're putting him to work. His job is to read the script. So I don't have to get on camera. I don't have to do editing. I don't have to deal with cameras and SD cards and lighting and location and sound. I don't have to deal with any of that. I say, here's the script, read it, get the video, and then output it. And then I'm going to use it tonight for the content. Because I have the automation almost already built. I'm going to clean it up today and then load it up with some new content, which is one of the biggest things. What's up, Mike? Good to see you. Ooh, my AI employee avatar is done. Let's check him out. Shadow, good to see you. Doing very well today. We're building a clone that's going to do all our work for us. I think it's still loading. It looks like it's still loading, so let me refresh the screen. And then we could check out our AI avatar that we just created using Nano Banana. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Let's see if I'm going to do the microphone so you can hear him. 1 second.
Most people think coding means staring at lines of text and getting stuck for hours. That's not how we do it anymore. With vibe coding, you focus on the idea, not the code. And with Claude Code, you use AI to build real tools, workflows, and automations without the usual struggle. This week inside the community, I'm breaking it down live. You'll see exactly how to use Claude Code step by step and actually build something that works. If you want in, join us live this week. Links below.
And shout out to North Star who just joined the community. Yes, go! It's not the best though. It's not. Let me show you just to push it a little bit over. Just fish.audio. Let me show you just to push it a little more towards realism. Sarah, good to see you. Sarah, I miss you. Sending you lots of love, Sarah. Okay, log in. To get that. And welcome to the community, North Star Beachfront. I will send you a DM to book a one-on-one with me as new members. New members through the community get a one-on-one 1 hour session book with me, where we're going to go deep into your business, show you exactly how to use the exact AI tools to get ahead. So, link is in the description for the academy. I'll post it in a moment. Okay, so here we're gonna. I already have my voice clone. This is fish.audio. It's basically like a cheaper version of 11 Labs. And then you guys are so nice. And many blessings to Coach Jaja. Many, many blessings. Super grateful for you, Coach Jaja. 2026 is going to be dope for all of us. I'm not going to lie. 2026 is going to be exciting. Okay, so this is Fish Audio. It's cheaper than 11 Labs and allows you, if I paste a script here, cool. For free, because they have a very generous free plan, and also you only need 30 seconds to clone a voice. So you could use your cloned voice, and then all you need is just 30 seconds of it. So let me select my voices. They have a ton of voices in here as well too. So my voices. What? Default. My voice. Okay, I'll just clone my voice. That's weird. I thought my voice would be here, but I think it's probably in another account, which is fine. So let me clone my voice. So you get to clone my voice in real time. So you go clone voice. We're going to upload. And I only need 30 seconds. So let me record some 30 seconds. Actually, let me just go to CapCut real quick and just grab 30 seconds of something. What do I need? 30 seconds, 90 seconds max. Downloads. I think these had some of the best audio. Let's see. Nope. Or I could take this. Oh, but this doesn't have really good audio. It's gonna be close enough.
I think I got both.
Yeah, it's gonna be close enough. I just need 30 seconds of an audio clip. And I don't want to record anything new. B. And then is this, I need how long? 90 seconds, 90 seconds. 90, 90, 90. 90, 90, 90. Almost there. 90 seconds, 90 seconds, 90 seconds. Cool. And let's normalize the audio. Audio, normalize. Okay, so that way it kind of equals out all the peaks and troughs.
Yeah, that's good enough. That is good enough.
Have a great day, Coach Jaja. Saying lots of love. I would definitely see you in the new year for sure. Have fun with the family. And then Tom, good to see you. Got Claude Code set up. Ooh. And Tom, I'm coming out with actually have it already recorded. I just have to release it to the community. You guys ever in the community, congratulations. You are getting a new course today on Claude Code. I did all the way up to building and deploying websites. And then today I'm going to record on how to build an app for using Claude Code. So you guys are going to get that training today inside the community included. And right now, lots of love, Sarah. So what I'm doing right now is just using, just export. I am using CapCut just to grab a 90-second audio clip of myself so that I could put that in, perfect, inside Fish Audio so that I could clone my voice a lot better so that I could see what my HeyGen avatar looks like with better audio. That's basically what we're doing. Is a long way to say I want to clone my voice, upload. This is Fish Audio. There's many different ones. Ron says, "What's up, Tom?" Everyone's hanging out in the comments. I should just see like how long I could live stream for today. No, that would be horrible. Okay, so now I'm just gonna say my voice, Jonathan Cunha, unlisted. I confirm. That kind of sucks. It's on the free plan. Your voice is public, so anyone can search for my voice and use it. Don't use it. I'm just kidding. So now it is building my voice. Cool. Now we got it. Let's use the voice. Perfect. That was easy, right? That was fast. My voice is now cloned. Let's listen to it. They're always going to hit you with the pop-up. Ignore the pop-up. I do have audio. Hold on. What am I doing wrong? 8 credits remaining. We have credits. We have a script. We have a voice. Is there a pop-up I'm missing? Let's refresh. Okay, there it goes. Okay, guys, so check this out. We're going to do some cool kinda. Hold on. That's terrifying. Okay, now generate this. Is it because it's longer than 32 seconds? Oh, because it's longer than 30 seconds. Okay. Let me take a sentence out here. Okay, cool. And then here. Okay, cool. It was just a limit of right, like. Now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI tools. If you've been thinking about learning this stuff, now's the moment. Join us live and start building today. See how terrifyingly accurate that is from 90 seconds of video? That's all it took to digitally clone your entire voice. Terrifying, but also cool. So then you download the video. Where do you download? Okay, so here, download. It's only 19 seconds. Then you go to HeyGen. It's a beautiful photo. Nice. And then we go new project or avatars. Or no, it's project. Projects. Oh no, you gotta, no, it's apps. And then photo to video. And then upload your photo. And then upload the audio. Didn't hear it. Let me see if maybe. Let me see if I play audio real quick again. Okay, so. Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI tools. If you've been thinking about there's a threshold, that's why. Join us live and start building today. There's an audio threshold of like, it's not loud enough to actually make it to the mic for it to, that's why you didn't hear it. I'm sorry. That's it will make sense in a moment. I don't even know how to add audio from, I'm thinking of like, how do I add audio? How interesting. I can't even add audio to like TikTok live stream if I wanted to. Interesting. Okay. So let's just say it sounds better, and then we'll use audio. Yeah, I have a mic cut low filter on this so that my microphone speakers aren't loud enough to, well, technically, let's do this. Hold on. I know what to do. Oh, let me just generate him, put him in the oven right now. Place in the oven for him to bake. All right, he's now in the oven. My digital clone is in the oven. Okay, now let me see if I get the audio so that you guys can hear as well too what the audio sounds like. I know what to change, I'm pretty sure. General settings. Here, noise suppression off. Cool, so now you guys should hear the audio when I play it here. Here's the audio for my avatar. Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI tools. If you've been thinking about learning this stuff, now's the moment. Join us live and start building today. That's so weird. It didn't come through even if I used the microphone. I apologize. If you go to my TikTok, it will sound, let's just say it sounds like me. Make sure I put that back on because you get a lot of noise that you don't need to hear. Noise suppression, low. Okay, cool. Back to the jam. Okay, so now if we go back to here, that was a cool outfit. Oh, it's loading. It is loading. Oh, it's done. So this is version 2 using better audio. Oh, this is so good. So good. So good. I know if you guys can't hear the audio, I'm going to try my best to play it. Maybe a little loud. Sorry, got loud. I'm going to hit play. Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI tools. If you've been thinking about learning this stuff, I don't know how to make it play. I am not that tech savvy to know how to make the audio play. It sounds cool. I'll post it in the community. But now, well, let's see. Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI tools. If you've been thinking about learning this stuff, now's the moment. Join us live and start building today. Okay, I'm going to go to my TikTok comments. Do I have TikTok comments for random? I know. I think I got to log into TikTok so I can get into my comments. I'll DM you. Let me go into my phone TikTok comments. That way I can see the settings to show the audio so that you guys can hear the audio. And the audio sounds great. It's amazing, I swear. Okay, request. Da 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 da. Super rand. Okay. Nope. Unread. Nope. Okay. DM me if you want. I'll try and figure it out. I'm somewhat tech savvy. I pretend to be. But that
right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code,
I'm gonna go. Where do I get a video? Where do I get a video? Video. Because I want to post this just for fun. I could get it from Sora. I could get it from. I have Higgsfield. Higgsfield just takes forever. But I'll burn some Higgsfield credits real quick, because I just want to stitch a couple like B-roll to this, real clean and simple, and then just might as well go all the way and post this, because I'd hate for like to put all this work in that and then not post it. It's like, post it. That way you guys could hear it on my TikTok, and then you could judge it and be like, this is horrible, this is amazing, da 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 da. And now you could be like, this is the future. This is what AI is. Okay, I'm signing into Higgsfield, because in Higgsfield I have access to Nano Banana Pro, basically, because with Nano Banana Sora. Because with Sora I can basically Sora I could create like 15 seconds of B-roll, and it's super cheap, which is like the cheapest out of all of them. So because I just need him to show up for just a couple seconds of the video, and then cut the video. Thank you for all the follows. Good to see everyone. Welcome to Learning AI, or Build with John. We are building AI tools together. Okay, cool. I think I got the link, and then we could create this. Also, CapCut is great for that. Oh, nice. Yeah, just for like a quick, just simple B-roll kind of thing. Nano Banana is 45% off. Nice. Give me now a Sora 2 video prompt of people coding, and show just montage of young adults and adults vibe coding, building apps around the world, like a commercial where everyone's learning how to code, and then put like Claude Code as like the name, and then a call to action to join the community. And do this. It's a 15-second video, so give me the shot-by-shot list. This is an image. This is a video prompt for Sora 2 for like every 3 seconds, roughly. About this video. Did I just see a haircut? I don't know what you're talking about. Actually, it's actually kind of funny, because I hit up my barber. He's like, I don't want to say it's super expensive, but he's worth it. Trust me, a haircut from a good guy, like a good haircut, is like, makes all the difference. And since I broadcast myself online, having a haircut makes the biggest difference. So KZ Phase, shout out to you. Definitely join the community, because we're going to be talking about a lot of cool stuff. Omar says, Nano Banana 50% off. I think I heard you say where. It was just a pop-up on Higgsfield. Honestly, like I would, like for me, I wouldn't pay like the subscription to go get like any image or video tool. I would just like go to the source and try and get it through an API. Then you just pay per usage, which is nice. So like Nano Banana Pro, if you don't already have Higgsfield, Free Picks, any one of those, Dreamina works as well too. Because like let me see if I can pop this up so you guys can see this. There you go. Nano Banana Pro 365 unlimited 85% off. What does that mean? It's unlimited, but it's 85% off. Somehow my brain makes my brain go, wait, what? You're gonna burn a lot of credits in here. Higgsfield's nice. It's just convenient to have all the tools, but you're not going to use a lot of the tools, honestly, which is one of the biggest things. Like it's more of a waste that you're paying that much for credits that you're barely going to use that much. You really just need a few tools, and that's it. Like Sora, Nano Banana Pro. I want video, and then I want Sora 2, and then I want a prompt. Give me the prompt, good sir. No subtext. No subtext in a code block in Markdown. Minimal text only at end. It's unlimited and free on GenSpark still. Nano Banana Pro. Shout out to Paint Mixing ASMR. That is amazing, Sarah. That pin your comment. There you go. GenSpark for free is still unlimited Nano Banana Pro. So it's like, get on that. I'm going to copy this and just see if we could just put together a quick little Sora 2 video for like 12 seconds in a 9:16 format. There we go. Let's just pop that in the oven and see what we get. These are some of my other videos. I don't know. I was doing Christmas stuff, ads for it. It kind of worked, kind of didn't. It's like, hey, this is all Nano Banana, like Nano Banana Pro for like doing these type of photo shoots. Like you could literally give yourself a photo shoot. Sora, what was the error for this one? This was Sora too. This is the problem with Sora, is like you're gonna deal with the policy errors a lot, especially when you do your API automations. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Consistency isn't magic, she read quietly. It's a system. Build the machine once and it runs for you every day.
Okay, that's nothing there.
This book promises to generate 30 days of content in under 60 minutes. If this works, it could transform how we...
Why is she going full away? She's just leaving. I like this one. Transformers.
Don't mess with Dr. AI.
You can literally create a movie. Like, there's no excuse of why you shouldn't be creating movies now with like AI. So now, let's let this load. We're almost there. That's the only downside with like Higgsfield is that it takes forever. It takes forever to get it to do the things that you want. You're like, Higgsfield, give me thy content. I want it. Good to see everyone. Omar, Lens, Sarah, Callie, V. I can't see the people on YouTube. Edom, Pedro, Blue, Damson, Onaz. Nice to see everyone. What you guys doing on a Monday midday? Should I live stream earlier? Where's Captain John flowing hair? That's actually in the image category. If I go to my image folder, let's see if we could kind of switch tabs. Okay, yeah, we'll switch tabs. You can see like there's the copy of roughly my book that's coming out. Actually, that's a horrible. There's a way better picture. I kind of gave up inside of. Hold on, let me zoom out. I kind of gave up inside of Higgsfield, and I'm having way more fun just in like Google AI Studio for a lot of the stuff. Oh, these are the early days of Nano Banana Pro. Then this is long hair John. And then what Sarah is referring to, I mean, you go crazy with the photos here. Then you put yourself in different photos. I was trying to do different scenes, different covers of the book, different shots. Oh man, these are like the olden days of like the good old Nano Banana days. Just the regular ones, not the Pro. Pro did not exist then. And then riding a motorcycle. Apparently AI sees long hair in my future. These were great, like toasting with Bigfoot. Like that was a great day. Remember that top of the mountain, top of the city skylines. Celebrated. I think we were celebrating 1 million views at that point in YouTube. I made 1 million views. It was just by posting viral slop trash. Viral slop trash got me like 1 million views within like a month of just posting, and I stopped because it's not the right rate. It's not what you want to do. We have all these random ones. We tried to do a music video. We did different singers. We did different outfits. We put me in different locations. We created different products. Look at all the cool things we do with Nano Banana. And here is John chilling on the beach, giving you AI with the coconut. Coconut, what was it? I put the rum in the coconut, I stir it all up. Is that how the song goes? Is there any way, any guide on how to do that? I'm okay with having to code. Actually, in the community is actually where you'll learn how to vibe code a lot of this stuff. All right, let's see. Did we get the photo that we wanted? Because I just want to get this and post it, basically. It shouldn't take that long. Oh, it's still thinking. That's the problem with, hey, Beverly, nice to meet you. Cool. I think we got some B-roll. Let's play a video. We just need like 13 seconds of B-roll. That's all. It's Claude. Sora, you suck. I have to go to, not that one. Which was Sora's, like, actually Claude. Yeah, I'm like, someone didn't read their prompt and actually put Claude. It starts off great. I mean, there's stuff we can salvage in here. There's like music. Yeah, Claude code. That's what people are talking about all this time. A lot of people coding Claude. I'm going to hang out in here because it renders a lot faster. So now I need to go fix my Computers are very smart. They will do exactly what you do. 90% of all errors in software development is human error because we don't read our own code. We look at it, we're like, yeah, close enough. We do ChatGPT. We're like, yeah, close enough. Just ship it. Yeah, kind of there. But I want more shots of people on the computer. I want some custom coding, and then I want single shot montages of different people building apps on their computer and having fun. Have a great night, Sarah. She's like, it's midnight, so that's where I'm like, it's super early. So we've been going since like 2. So this is why this is where all of you are hanging out, is if I just show up earlier instead of the late night stream, because the late night stream is a whole different crowd, which is kind of interesting. Okay, so here, let's take this, and I have a custom GPT that is a Sora 2 prompt generator. By the way, if you're in the community, you get this Sora 2 prompt generator. This is literally going to be the difference of like why you want custom GPTs. This is a Sora 2 prompt generator that I created where you can take any prompt, paste it in, and it will actually format it the proper way Sora 2 wants, like optimized. So look at all this. Sweet camera, dialogue, all this perfect thing. The quality of your prompt will always dictate the quality of your output. So if you put Claude code, it will spit out Claude code. So we're going to take all of this and just copy this. I'm not going into Higgs. I'm starting to have like a love-hate feel for like Higgs. Higgs is like too bloated. Okay, here. CLAUDE, Claude, not Cloud. CLA. Making sure I didn't misspell it anywhere else. Okay, close enough. We're going to copy that. Put that in the oven. Nice. It's a 19-second talking video, 12 seconds of B-roll video. This should work out pretty perfect. And then we'll just put this in CapCut and just ship this. This will just count as my piece of content for the day. You can literally create your 3 pieces of content through this workflow, like without any APIs, automations, type stuff. And it'll take you like less than an hour to create 3 pieces of content. You're just using custom GPTs the whole time. To do this process, you don't need automations, make.com. Like you can literally pump out your content with just HeyGen, Fish Audio, and Sora 2, and then CapCut to like put it all together. You share the content in the community. I'm gonna share the I'm editing the Claude Code course, which shows the website building apps. That I'm going to post in the community today. That's going to be exclusive to the community. So I needed an update. We had one of the members come in and was like, yo, I need an updated version of it. So I was like, I got you. So I'm going to send that out. It's an hour long. It's like, well, yeah, it's about right. Yeah, it's about an hour long for Claude Code, just to get up to building Python code tools and then building websites with it, even all the way to deploying on Hostinger. And then lastly, I even bought Hostinger last night just so I could show the full workflow of how to set it all up in Hostinger. It's actually way better. And then, yeah, today I'm going to, maybe today or tomorrow or this week, is how to build an app version of that. So this is why you want to join the community. So you get up-to-date courses, new courses, exclusive with private training and secrets that you can't find online, all inside the community. Link in the bio. Okay, it's almost done. I think we gotta go in our drafts, that's why. Oh, remember when Sora 2 came out and it was all the rave, and now we have VO3 and Dreamina and the Chinese models, which are crazier? Tom says, nice. GenSpark is recommending NAN for automations and deploying it on Railway. $10 a month. Railway. Why not Vercel? That's interesting. But then share the content. Like if you're doing content automation using NAN, just self-host it and you're done. I don't think you need anything else. Yeah, because you could just, you hook up the APIs inside of it. I don't know what Railway is. Railway NAN. What is that? Deploying NAN on Railway. Oh, you're self-hosting, right? Let me see here. Self-hosting guide on Railway costs $5 a month. No, well, it really doesn't matter. You could deploy on Railway. I'd rather, you're going to have a Hostinger account anyways for the website, which is like $3 a month. Hostinger has VPS, and it's like $6 a month, 6, 7, give or take. Yeah, self-host NAN. I would just do it all instead of Railway. Just go straight to Hostinger, and then you could deploy NAN in one click. They make it real nice. And then from here, it's like $7 a month. It will go up after, I think, the first 2 years, if I'm not mistaken, and then it goes up to like $10. That's it, or $11. Technically, $10.99 where it goes up. So technically, you save money in the first half with that. Ooh, let's check it out. I like it. I like it. People coding. Looks like they're building apps. Looks like they're having fun. I like it. Good enough. I'm not looking for perfect. I am looking for 80% good enough. Now we're going to just stitch it all together. I'm going to download this. God, it is so creepy how good the voice is on this. Tom, I remember when you did the first, Tom was the first to do B-roll for HeyGen. I remember the video was about some lawn care business that you're evaluating. I remember that. That was so long ago. That was like ages ago in the AI world. But that's the same style workflow. I think you were editing inside Canva. Now we're just editing inside CapCut. So how I remember all the members have grown so much. I'm so proud of my students. You guys make me happy because you guys are crushing it in your industries using all of this. All right, so now we're just going to do a quick simple edit using CapCut. If we could find CapCut here, this and then this are the only two things we need. It's super easy. Oh, I should. No. I'm just going to zoom in so that the smarty pants don't see HeyGen. There you go. So you can kind of see what's John doing. There we go. Okay. And then, I need 2 B-rolls. I know that sounds funny because, it may work out. Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still. I want 3 seconds in for you to cut. So 1, right now is the easiest time 2. In history to learn how to build software. Okay, mute you. Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still. We're gonna zoom in to you, so get rid of the Sora 2 watermark just because John's being lazy. Oh, the Sora 2 watermark moves around, so who cares? Yeah. And then I need another, because he's talking way too much, so in a good way. So we need to just rock that same prompt again. Remix. I'm just going to go back and just copy this prompt again and load it. Here, search. Nope, trying to figure out how to use this app. Here we go. There we go. Yep. Okay, and then here, I will be nice and just go the extra. I don't need you. Just give me another remix of the same thing. Just same prompt, just kind of low remix, more coding. And I should go get Claude Code's logo and just slap it in the middle, so people will be like, that's Claude Code. Nothing's going to be real in 2026. Literally. Like, do not trust anything in 2026. The models are too good. Claude Code. Pop that in the oven. Because you do need, like, I'm honestly like Sora's the best for like B-roll, because you only need like 2 videos, so that's 12 seconds each, so 24 seconds total, which out of a 30-second video, which is more than enough. Like, you only want your talking head to show up for like maybe 3 seconds. Like anything longer and they're like, that's AI. Oh, what I could do is I could get kind of gangster with it. Let's see. Let's actually try that, because wait, doesn't it have like green screen removal here, like background removal? Oh, I do not. Okay, hold on. CapCut, how to remove background. I think it's under video, and then background remove, AI remove. I feel like I'm psychic, but I'm like, remove background. Go to remove background under the editing tools, and CapCut will remove the background for you. Claude just finished an automated newsletter for
Today, we're going to look at how you can
M&A insights, mergers and acquisitions insights. I'm excited for that. Tom just launched the AI newsletter using Claude Code. Get on Claude Code, everyone. Join the revolution. I hate saying the revolution, but it is true. It is so cheating, which is good because it gives you superpowers. Okay, if you're not, this is just user error. Oh, where's that? BG remove. One click background remove. Yeah. Oh, remove BG. I found it. They don't say background, they say remove BG. Okay. And then auto remove. And then it's processing. If this works, this will be very interesting. I'm trying to basically shrink myself and put myself in the corner, because I see those videos perform a lot better if it's just like me, my avatar the whole time. Did that work? Oh, it did. Oh. Ooh. And then let's get another B-roll video. I think it worked. Watch, this video gets 1 million views at the end of the year. I'm like, you guys saw it here. Okay, this looks cool. We're going to download this because we just need 2 like 12-second videos. Quick plug, join the community. Tom, I think I could hear Tom do this too.
Dude, this Claude Code. So, I don't know what it did. I don't know how to code or anything, right? But I was assuming I'd have to use NAN and a couple other connections. And I didn't understand what it put out because I've been partnering with GenSpark to do this.
Mm-hmm.
And GenSpark was like, hey, yeah, you're gonna need Claude code and all this other. You're gonna need all these other things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, then I took the output from Claude code and I put it into GenSpark to say basically what did this just do, and so here's what it did, and I'm gonna let you see that. I think it's funny because the imprint, right? You might be able to save this for another video.
Maybe I'll
But the
just see
first
this.
line of GenSpark,
Oops.
the first line of GenSpark is
Oops. Oh, fancy now. I love how GenSpark
it
cusses.
said just build your entire automation engine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So everything could live in GenSpark as far as code, APIs, automation, logic. You would also next build a front end, ask him to build a front end dashboard, and then he could save
Well,
also.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna drop. It's gonna scrape from the internet all the acquisitions that are good, and rate them, and put it in an Airtable every Monday.
Nice. You could cancel your
And then
Airtable, and you could do. Well, no. Keep. Yeah, you keep going. You could do an Airtable.
because I want to use Airtable to like give people access to
Mm.
the database, and like part of one of the tiers on Beehive is you get access to the database that updates weekly.
Ah, very
But
nice.
it's giving. It takes all the acquisitions posted. It takes each deal and analyzes it using Claude. Hang on, I just. Are you there?
Yep.
So yeah, it takes the deal, analyzes it using Claude AI, scores the quality 1 to 10, identifies red flags, and writes 2 to 3 sentence summaries. Recommends an advanced watch or patch. Without this, you'd have to hire an analyst at $80K a year. For
Mm-hmm.
$20 a month, this guy is dropping all these. And then it says, then it takes the top 5 deals from the week, generates a complete newsletter in your voice, market signals, featured opportunities, 3 to 4 deal teasers, outputs HTML for ready for Beehive.
What's the API for the model you used in Claude?
What's the API that I
Mm-hmm.
use for Claude?
He has some smart logic in him that he's like reading and doing stuff. Is there like an API to like Open Router or Gemini or like Kai that he's like doing that logic kind of stuff?
No, I got
Oh
a
yeah.
push out from GenSpark. GenSpark gave me this line and said basically copy this into Claude AI. And I
Nice.
just did step 1, and it did step 1 through 8 just with this. It says complete a project structure.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you can read this. It says complete a project structure for the acquisition report newsletter automation system. Folder structures here, NAN workflows, content, data, docs.
Because one of the things what they'll do is they'll try and build it in their thing, and then when Claude builds it, he's gonna build it a little bit
What he
different.
wants.
Yeah, he doesn't need any of, he's going to do all the figure, because what I'll do is you can use GenSpark, ChatGPT, really doesn't matter. Have them do like the brainstorming of like, okay, do I need any special GitHub repos of pre-made libraries? Is there any special integrations I need to go sign up for some services that will make this easier? And then I'll just give those to Claude and say, and just give him the goal, and he'll build it in any whatever language that he wants, kind of thing. They do have tunnel vision sometimes, like they'll go and just be focused on one main bug or feature kind of thing. But yeah, because once you build it in Claude, ask him to build a dashboard, and then so that you could view the data, and then well, it's going to go into
Well, you
Airtable.
literally
Yeah,
built that out. Airtable?
you technically have that all in Airtable because it's just pushing into there. because he could vibe code his own table for you to view and customize any way you want.
But I don't need NAN or anything now.
Nope. Yep. Correct. NAN becomes irrelevant. Because once you have this, you just host it in Vercel. And Vercel, because okay, so you're coding in Claude, and then you push your cool app to GitHub, and then from GitHub you can download it into Vercel. And then Vercel, you can host it on the web. They have a very generous free plan, and now it's off your computer. It's on the web. You could put a login. You could trigger the automations from there, and it's not like just software that only can run when your computer is on, for example.
Oh. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I just wanted to share that with you. I
Yeah,
love the title where it
this is
says,
huge.
Holy, I've never had impressed GenSparks before.
I like when he's like, yeah, or no, or I'm like, oh, Claude, you're just by your cussing. Oh, you care.
He said, he said all that. He said, holy.
That's the game. You the last thing to probably hook them up to is go get a open router API key, fund it with like $5. And then from there, you can now use that API key, give it to Claude, and then he could connect any large language model, DeepSeek, Open Router, and just how you would do like agents and prompts inside of NAN. Claude does the same thing, but he'll just create a little markdown file. He'll put your prompt there, and then now you could, as part of like the automation, if you want to send some data to like Open Router to have it reviewed by Claude, GenSpark, Gemini, DeepSeek, really doesn't matter. And then an answer comes back, gets saved in a database.
Okay.
That would be next. But yeah. Brevo, I think is API email. They're more of like if you have like an e-commerce store to like add email for like reminders or notifications. But give it to Claude, and Claude can now trigger all sorts of API, just email automation as well too.
A Beehive should have
It
API, right?
It should, but I think when we looked into it, I don't know if it was the pricing. There's some reason why we went to Brevo versus Beehive API. I don't remember what there's some decision. Oh, because you can't send. You can like create drafts in there, but you can't like auto send. And we wanted to like automate everything, even the sending. But this will like you could, because you would draft it. You would have Claude output the email in an HTML format, an API to Beehive, and then you have a nice, beautifully aesthetic email that's all brand colors and stuff like that.
Okay.
Just give Claude that page.
When you give Claude code, when you do your Nano, is it Nano Banana is what you ask Claude code to make for your videos? That was one of my only questions.
Good.
I'm going to get off the video now.
Very good. For image, it's Nano Banana, which is held on Kai, KIE, and then you just fund it with like $5, and then Kai is, there we go. Kai, but I don't know what happened to my camera. I for sure.
We have your screen.
I have my screen, but I did something and I lost my camera, so I don't know where it's gone.
Is it the bottom?
I don't know if it like moved in the real estate. Maybe I could. Oh, maybe I could full screen. Oh, there. Okay, there, and I just shifted there. Ah, there we go. I'm back.
There you go. You're back.
Learning TikTok Studio is a thing, but let's see. Yeah, so now just go. If it's video and stuff, it's Kai, KIE .ai, KIE. So you sign up for the service, fund it with $5, and then you get access to all. Oh, I'm lagging. Hold on, there we go. Done with lag. Okay, so then you get all of the image and video models. Claude, Sora, VO3, Nano Banana, whichever you want. And then Claude knows how to, he just needs the API key, and then each model just has a different name. And it's cool because you can send the request to get any image just generated, and it's cheaper. You pay directly to the source, no subscription. And then Claude will add it in whatever project. That's the biggest thing. Cool. I'll pop you off, Tom. But great building, Tom. Like, that's the great thing, is like, just get active with Claude Code. Build a website, build a newsletter, connect some automations. It does become irrelevant. It's that's why I'm like, I didn't put you're good, Tom. Happy to help. That's why I didn't put NaN inside of the curriculum for the next 4 weeks that we're going to be learning. This is the curriculum. I gotta save it, but here we go. So this 4-week curriculum is what we're going to be learning inside the community, starting with GenSpark this week. And then next week, we're going to get into vibe coding with Claude Code and doing a lot of stuff that we're doing with Tom. And then week 3, we're getting to Google AI Suite, Gemini, AI Studio, Notebook LM, vibe coding with Google Gemini as a whole different experience. And then content. This is what Tom is kind of building, is now building a content automation completely vibe coded using Claude Code, uses some of the best, not the API, but uses the best image and video models to generate content. And then even in this program right here, we're also going to hook up your digital avatar using HeyGen. That way you have an AI avatar that looks just like this, that is creating content that looks just like this. Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build. Oh, you guys can't hear the audio. I know.
With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI tools. If you've been thinking about learning this stuff, now's the moment. Join us live and start building today.
Uncanny Valley, we are so close. The end of 2026, I'm going to fire myself from creating content, and I'm going to hire HeyGen full-time to create content, both live stream and that. We will hack live stream, like with the digital avatar content. That's damn good. From what we started this year to that, and that we just did this in like less than an hour, like even less, about 45 minutes. Like clone voice, clone head, clone B-roll, all of that. This is good. Do I want to add captions? I don't want to add captions. I hate captions, but let's just add captions. And then we'll post this piece of content, and then I'm going to go take a lunch break. But if you find this valuable, I highly recommend sign up for the AI community. This is where we're having our 4-week program. Actually, it's going to be a 5-week program. So sign up for the community. There's the link in the bio or in the chat. That will get you access. It's $97 a month to join, 30-day money-back guarantee. And this is where we are actually building all of the cool things. So everything you see as far as courses, live classes Tuesday through Friday, mentorship, direct support when you're growing, highly recommend. Join the AI community. That is where all the action is happening. So definitely link in the bio. Definitely join, because once we start, you don't want to fall behind. So this is going to be our curriculum. I'm going to send an email to this out. And here, let's just add captions really quickly. Let's see, classic. I think this one's probably the quickest and easiest. Just to add some captions here. I didn't have to get on camera. I didn't have to get dressed. I didn't have to memorize a script. I didn't have to... I feel like maybe yellow instead. Is that too light?
Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI.
Cloud Code. What's Cloud Code? Okay. Claude code. Did you misspell? Claude. Okay, that looks good. I kind of just want you to Claude logo. I kind of just want to slap their logo so that people know this is what we're talking about. Where is... Oh, you gotta just save it. That's why. Save image as Claude. Downloads. Text is not going to look good, but oh, that's going to suck. I'm not happy with that. I'm not happy with that. Okay, we'll just get this. Simplify it. Oh, I got to save image as. Save it, run it, pop it in. Replace this with this. Nice. Shoot. Oh wait, they're both the same thing. John, they're both the same thing. Save image. Download. There we go. I just didn't drag and drop the right image. That's much better. Oh, it looks like horrible. Oh wait, you can remove background. Auto remove. Oh, go CapCut. Oh, that is fancy. Should I put that as a badge? Like I'm wearing a badge? Like I'm wearing the Claude Code badge?
Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI tools. If you've been thinking about learning this stuff, now's the moment. Join us live and start building today.
It's not the best, but I don't care. It's good enough. Hey, wait a minute. Is that first frame blank?
Right now is the easy.
No, that's okay. We're exporting the video. 1080. Claude Code. Export. We don't need audio. We don't need captions. Oh, I think I still have metrical. I'm going to cancel metrical. I don't need it. But since I have the subscription right now, might as well just post it. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Okay, cool. Perfect. Metric.
Right now is the easiest
Oops.
time in history.
There we go. Metrical allows you just to schedule to publish to multiple platforms all at once. So here I could just pick Facebook, all the platforms, and then I don't have to log in. And then I could just post. And then I could move on with my life. Learn. Join us inside the community to master no coding experience, build websites, apps, and tools effortlessly. I'll just say improve that. Replace hashtag Claude code. Vibe coding. That's good enough. Where's the video? Let's now upload the video. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna use this workflow for the next hour to kind of pump out some more video content, because that was pretty easy, and I have a hypothesis that that quality looks really good. I've been wanting to do this format for a while. Live Claude Code live class. Learn Claude. In a live class, let's just say that, for example, because I really want to get back to like my postings. Claude code, public, audience, no, not for kids. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. We are basically scheduling to publish. Why is, oh, because that's a poll. It should be a post. And then schedule to post today. Man, I missed my posting schedule. Oh man, you guys remember I was posting 3 to 6 times a day? Oh my god, that was insane beginning of the year. You best believe I'm now doing that with AI avatars now. So 40, 30, let's have this post in just a few minutes. So like there. Everything else look good? That looks good. Schedule and post. This is the one thing I just don't like about metrical, is like this double loading. I hate this so much. It loads it and then it has to reload it, and it holds up everything else, and I want to throw this out the window. So that's why I'm leaving. Bye metrical, I don't need you no more. I'm going to automate you with Claude Code. 2026 should be the year of like cutting subscriptions and vibe coding your own tools using Claude Code, and you could drastically reduce your subscription costs, like significantly, for sure. We'll let him kind of do his thing. Hopefully I didn't mess it up. No, I didn't. Okay, so that is a nice workflow. You guys got to see how we created HeyGen avatars using my digital clone. Look at that. That looks so good. So good. So creepily good.
Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI tools. If you've been thinking about learning this stuff, now's the moment. Join us live and start building today.
The future. That's really, for the audio. I know you guys can't hear the audio. Sorry. You'll hear it when it's post. But damn, are we ending the year with that as the quality of content? I'm happy with that. We have leveled up. We have leveled up, people. All of us together have leveled up. New superpowers, more capabilities, more. Okay, this is loading. Okay, so while this loads, that is going to be for today's live stream. So highly recommend join the AI Community Academy. Nice. Oh, and then more importantly, it's like, why are you going to join? Because over the next 5 weeks, we are literally going to be teaching you in class every week. Week 1, mastering AI agents in GenSpark. That's week 1. Week 2, Vibe Coding Revolution, to teach you how to master Claude Code, VS Code, Google Gemini, building websites, building apps, building tools with Python, APIs, all that fun stuff. Then we're going to master Google's amazing suite of AI tools. They have a ton of AI tools, from automations to apps to Notebook LM to Gemini to vibe coding. That's going to be a ton. Then week 4, we are going to build and vibe code with content on autopilot. So this one we're going to vibe code. Technically, I feel like this one should be week 3. I'm going to replace that. So it's week 3. That way we're building that. And then week 4, we'll do Google Gemini. And then week 5, I think we're going to do digital marketing. That way, that should be 5 weeks. That should be a pretty level everyone up in the community with that. I think that will be great, so that you guys are using the best AI tools, automating your content, and have some automation so that you could generate some sales online. That's going to be the whole curriculum inside the community. If you miss a day, don't worry. We'll have courses on all this. Today, I'm releasing a course to the community on Claude Code that goes beginner all the way to building websites and deploying them. And then, because you could reduce your website cost to like $3 a month, basically, if you're paying too much. Master says, Dr. AI, is this it? Yes, this is going to be for the next 5 weeks for what we're going to focus on in the community, starting tomorrow. For class 1 tomorrow is literally AI agents. And it's Tuesday through Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 2 p.m. EST. I think it's 1 p.m. EST. Let me see. 12 p.m. Double check that. PST to EST. 3 p.m. So 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And if you miss it, don't worry. We're recording all the sessions so that you'll get the replay by the end of the day sent directly to your email. That's all the benefits inside the AI community, where we're saving 15 hours a week, leveraging AI automation, and we're going to have so much vibe coding in there. So great questions. If you have any other, that's pretty much it. So I'm on live stream probably later tonight. Highly recommend join the community, and shout out to... who was the one that joined? North Star Villa Beachfront joined the community. So shout out to you. Welcome. And then if you join, you get a one-on-one for 1 hour with me, where I get to deep dive into your business, understand your goals, show you the right tools and roadmap to leverage AI in your business to make more money and save more time. I'm Jonathan Cunha, Dr. AI. Good to see you.